At Sri Nehru Vidyalaya Kindergarten Block, we are focusing on the holistic development, that is, the language development, social development, emotional development, creative development, spiritual development, physical development. These are the areas we focus on. We have the playway method, and we give a lot of activities to the students, and then they work on, and the teachers work on those activities, and we enhance the basic skills of every child. We have the circular classrooms of all the children. The main reason is the concentration. And we have 9 sections of LKG, 8 sections of UKG, and 2 sections of pre-KG. 615 students in the kindergarten block. In classrooms, we have one teacher, one assistant teacher, and one Aya to take care of the children. And the student-teacher ratio is 32:1. We don't have a ranking system or grading system. Assessment is totally based on observation. We observe the children for 3 months, and based on this observation, we give them the guidelines, and then based on that, we start writing the progress cards. Then we are the only schools who are having the progress chart. That is, the progress chart is something which talks about the students. We just categorize them into different cadres because we want to portray that all the children are the best. Then we have the morning assembly, wherein we teach them around 15 slokas every day. In the sense, at a stretch, almost for a year, they learn up 15 to 20 slokas. And then we have the thought for the week. Then we have the birthday celebration. Then that is on Mondays we have thought for the week. Tuesdays we have the storytelling. For example, if the thought for the week is honesty is the best policy, Tuesday the first story would be relating to that. That is the story would be on honesty. Then Wednesday we would be having Tirukural or Dohe. Again that would be based on honesty. Then Thursday we have this GK questions for the children, and Friday we have talent show. So of course throughout the year we have lot of celebrations. We have Independence Day, we have Republic Days. These 2 days we have it along with the main school. The other days we celebrate Diwali, we celebrate Children's Day, we celebrate New Year function, we have Pongal. Then all the such major functions we definitely have it, and then we tell them the significance of the celebrations, why we are celebrating it, what is the significance of that day, what is the speciality of that day. And recently we had the Children's Day. And then we teach them the colors, the various colors. All the primary and secondary colors are taught to the children. Our teachers frame their own questions related to the colors, and they make their own songs, they make their own stories related to the colors. And then we have a special, or rather a unique function, which is called as reflection. Every year we have reflection as a district level inter-school competition exclusively for the kindergarten students, and more than 30 schools participate in that. And in that we have almost 18 competitions, and children take part in that, and we give them prizes and mementos to all the children. And of course it is not our teachers who are going to who judge that. It is, we have all external judges from various schools. External judges come, so we give the mementos to the judges as well as the students. And it is a special day for the kindergarten students, and I think there again we are doing something good, and we are one of the pioneer schools who are doing such a great event. Another very special and important day for the kindergarten students is the graduation day, and we generally have it during the last week of February of every year.